Another big story tonight, both Franklin County Public Health and Columbus Public Health are putting out mask advisories for anyone in a public space indoors. Now, regardless of vaccination status, it's all because of the rise in COVID-19 cases around Central Ohio. 10 TV's Kevin Landers is live downtown at the Jazz and Rib Fest. And Kevin, this isn't the only event that people will have to consider wearing a mask at, right?
Yeah, you're absolutely right. This highly contagious variant has health officials warning people that even if you're outside and you can't maintain a social distance, you may consider wearing a mask. But it's just a recommendation. So how many people who attend events like the Jazz and Rib Fest or other events will wear a mask? Thousands of people look forward to the Columbus Jazz and Rib Fest every year.
Well, we normally come out to the Jazz and Rib Fest about every year.
I missed it during the pandemic.
Festival goers who thought they would not have to wear a mask outside again are now being told by health officials to rethink that as cases of the most contagious variant of COVID-19 continue to grow.
Yeah, that makes sense. Because you don't know who you're standing by, you don't know if everyone's vaccinated. So yeah, I believe in that.
Others remain skeptical.
But out in public or in this area with this breeze, I'm not too worried about it, or else I would, because I love my family.
This isn't the only event where people may want to consider wearing a mask. There's the giant outdoor concert Buckeye Fest on Saturday at Ohio Stadium, where thousands of people are expected to attend. We spoke to an immunologist who says wearing a mask at a concert is the only way he'd attend.
If there are a lot of people around, that's the only way I would feel safe is actually by doing that.
The same is true if you're attending the Franklin County Fair or the Ohio State Fair next week. Fairfield County's health commissioner says parents sending their kids back to school should also consider masking.
We are concerned, especially as we get ready to go back to school, that, people getting into those congregate settings, cases will probably continue to increase.
The more people who are infected, experts say, the more the variant mutates. And that's why health officials say we need to do a better job to slow down the case count, either masking or social distancing.
But if you're standing in a crowd watching a concert with, a dozen people all shoulder to shoulder right next to you, then those risks do increase.
Now, it's going to be a hard sell to get people voluntarily masked when your people are getting COVID, even though they are vaccinated. What health officials are stressing is that wearing a mask protects people around you who you may not know are medically fragile. Reporting live downtown, Kevin Landers, 10 TV News.